straight away. Okay, now I just got to quickly share my screen here. And there you go. All right. Welcome again, guys. Welcome to tonight's Legacy Builder English webinar. 1 week we do an English webinar, and 1 week we do an Afrikaans webinar. So if you don't know me yet, whoever invited you, my name is Alana. I'm a single mom from South Africa. Back in September 2023, I was tired. I was hopeless. I felt like nothing is going my way because I was constantly looking for ways to make money. I was constantly borrowing money from friends and family, and it was soul destroying for me. And I came across the Legacy Builder program. And first of all, I was very, very skeptical about it because I've been scammed on the internet before. And I don't know about you, and I think a lot of us, especially from South Africa, has been scammed. I then, by November 2023, I just remember one day I just was fed up and I thought, you know what? I better just try this again because it looks like things are working. It looks like the Legacy Builder program is working. I'm seeing other South Africans making millions. And I decided I'm going to give this a try. And I have not looked back since. And I'm very, very grateful for this opportunity. And tonight we're going to talk about that. Okay, so what is the legacy builder? The legacy builder is literally what it says. It's a business where you can build a legacy for your family, okay? A business that you can give over to your children and they can give over to their children. Why? Because it's digital marketing. And digital marketing is one of the highest paying jobs at the moment. And Forbes has said that in 2030, it's going to be a $1.5 trillion business. Now, who is this for? You might ask. Well, it's for anybody, right? We've got people from the teenagers up to somebody in their 90s that is part of this program. So it's for busy families, busy families out there that just need an extra income stream. It's for people that maybe are ready for retirement and they need that extra bit of money, or people that are already retired and they've realized that they just can't get through with their retirement, their money, right? And then also for busy professionals, people that want to just add a little bit of money, a little bit of income on what they are earning. So it's for anyone who's ready to grow their existing business and to create an extra income. All right, so I just want to go through this. The general financial stress across South African households. So I went on the internet and I looked at all the statistics, okay? And this is what I got. And let's just go through it. A large majority of South Africans run out of money before the end of the month. Well, I know that one too well, okay? And one study found that approximately 76 of people regularly run out of funds before payday, with more than half running out by the middle of the month. I can definitely relate with that. Man, 2 days in after I got my salary, I literally had no money in my account. So the financial stress is widespread enough that over half of consumers worry about meeting monthly household expenses, like rent, like utilities and groceries. And according to a survey, about 46% of consumers go without basic necessities. Guys, things like electricity and food, okay? And when they run out of money, by the end of the month, okay? So that is the reality of people in South Africa and people right across the world as well. About 55% of South Africans live below the upper bound poverty line, meaning their income doesn't cover both basic food and essential non-food items. And the national poverty line figures from Stats SA 2025 shows that a person needs at least 1,450 Rand a month, which is on the lower bound, and 2,846 Rand per month, just to cover basic needs. That's per person. And if a family earns less than those amounts per person, their salary won't stretch across all basic necessities like food, housing, transport, utilities, etc. Okay. And that is the reality. So a lot of people are facing these things today, and that is the reality. Okay. The unemployment rate in South Africa is 32.9%. That's absolutely crazy. And A family needs basic finances. Why? Because they need their basic needs and security. Okay. If a child, some children goes without a breakfast to school, and we know that. I remember my daughter as well when she was still before I started homeschooling her. There was literally children that would go to school without food. It is crazy. And there's a limited access to opportunities if there's no finances, which means there's talented children out there that can't join sports teams. There's no fees for equipment and everything is just too expensive. And what does that cause? Emotional stress. Okay. The children overhear parents arguing about unpaid bills. And there's a lack of parental presence. And I know that too well, right? Both parents are working, people are working double shifts and they miss school events and they miss sport events like that. I remember having to tell my daughter one day, she asked, Mom, can you please come and watch my hockey? And I was like, no, I can't. I can't get time off. Okay. And that also affects our children's self-esteem. Okay. They stop trying academically because they believe success is for other families and not theirs. Okay. So most people, as we know, work at 8 to 10 hours a day for between 15,000 and 20,000 Rand salary per month. Now, I didn't even earn 20,000 a month. It's insane. So people are overworked and they're underpaid. I mean, this is what they say the basic salaries are, but I never got that kind of money. And the thing is, living costs keeps rising and families are struggling. That's just how it is, right? But now I want to ask you today, what if you can earn in dollars? How would that change your life? Now, this is the other day. Usually the rand against the dollar is between 16 and 17 at the moment. So it fluctuates a bit. I remember when I started with this business, it was between 18 and 20 rand. So that means for every single dollar that you earn today, you will make about 17 rand per dollar. That's nice, right? And what if you could follow a program that teaches you step by step how to earn? You earn between $100, $300, 600, 900, or $1,400 from one single transaction. No experience needed. You have your own business and you are the CEO of your business. Now that's what I wanted to do. Guys, sorry about that. Kasia, is iemand by die deur? Kom help gou hierso. Okay, sorry guys. And what if it only takes you 2 hours a day? Broken up in 10 to 15 minute sessions throughout the day. Okay. So you do it in your time. You can do 10 minutes here, 15 minutes there. And the rest of your day is to build your dream life with your family. How would that change your life today? Okay. And what if it's a plan that you can follow that works because over 59,000 other people already tested it. We are almost standing at 60,000 people right across the world doing that. And 8,000 of them is from South Africa. You get the plan and sorry, guys. Sorry about that. I apologize. Locked you door, something? So I apologize. I apologize, guys. So you get the plan and you follow it step by step every day because it works. Okay. And what if you can work from anywhere? You just need your cell phone and Wi-Fi and a laptop. That's all you need. That is the beauty of the online business, right? You take your phone and you take your business with you. And that's what I love about this as well, right? You can work where you want. Okay. You are in charge of your finances. You work 2 hours a day and you build your family. Okay. Because if you make $100 sale today, you will make about 1,700 Rand in one day. If you make, oh, sorry. Oh, what did I do here? I'm sorry, guys. I do apologize. Sorry about that. Oh, let me just go back there. Okay. There. We'll just go like that. I'm sorry for the interruptions. I do apologize. Okay, so there you are. Right. So if you make $300 today, that is 5,000 Rand right into your pocket because you make 100% profit. If you have a $600 sale, that is over 10,000 Rand, okay? And $900 going to make you about 15,000 Rand today. And $1,400 sale is going to make you 23,000 Rand in one day. Because you see, over 8,000 people in South Africa have already set up our own businesses, which is giving us more freedom. We are our own boss, okay? More time with our family. There's more money because you're going to get a dollar income. Your quality of life is going to increase and you're going to have less debt. And that with only 2 hours a day. How would that change your life today? Okay. Now, what's nice about this program, right, is we give extra training as well. Like every Tuesday evening, there is extra training on top of the training that you're going to get at 7 o'clock. And like days like this, at 7 o'clock, we always have a webinar and you can bring your customers with. So you are not left alone. Okay. We are a digital family building together and you can definitely build with us. Now, I'll just show you what is actually happening in our community because that's one of the best things that's about this business, right? You're going to belong to a community as well. This is not something that you're going to start and then somebody's just going to ghost you and you're going to be left alone and you feel overwhelmed and now you need to do everything on your own. We have a community, we have a family that we build together and we help each other. Now, just share with you. This is what happens, right? Yaku is obviously from South Africa, and what he says here, my first day, two sales. He says, my first day of marketing, and I got two $300 sales already. Now, if we add that up today, it's probably about 3,500 Rand in one day. That's what he made. Okay. This is another one of our millionaires. Also, her name is also Alana. $100 sale, she says. I just made another $100 sale, pushing me just over the 3.7 million mark. This is life-changing money for us as South Africans. I never thought I was worthy of making this kind of money, always working for a minimum wage and staying broke month after month until we said yes to this program. I'm so grateful that we started. I have not had to work for a boss for the last 22 months, and I wish this for anyone looking to start online. Christina Bell is from the USA, and she says she made $1,400 over dinner time. Where else can a regular mama make $1,400 cooking dinner for her family? What we got here is wild. I don't think it will ever feel real. So thankful I said yes to this program and for all the people it puts me in front of. Thank you, Lord, she says. And Latavia says she woke up to $1,800. That is over 34,000 Rand. I'm still shaking, she says. I woke up this morning to not one, but two $900 sales. My very first two sales in this business. Just a week ago, I was sitting there posting free ads on websites and honestly not knowing if this was even going to work. I had my doubts, but I decided to stop asking 10,000 questions and just take action. I tried it anyway with the help of my mentor, and to wake up to this, it feels like I hit the absolute jackpot. Man, I know that feeling. And Felicia says, my first sale in less than 4 weeks. Hallelujah. I just got my first sale of $900. This is amazing. If a 60-year-old schoolgirl with no experience in tech has done this, then you can too. Now, guys, I'm so very, very excited. We have got Monica here. She is a mother. We advertise this as a mother of 15 children. Now, we had a little of a laugh there. Now, she doesn't have 15 children. She has 4 sons. She's got two daughter-in-laws, and she's got 9 grandchildren. And Monica is going to share her story with us tonight. And I've asked her, Monica, what is the word that you would say you would describe the legacy, what the legacy builder did for you? And her word was restoration. And I went and looked at the word, and let's look at the meaning of restoration. Okay. The first word is rebuild. It's starting fresh and creating something new from what was lost. Another word is revive, which means bringing an idea, brand, or vision back to life. And then renewal, which is a sense of fresh energy and new beginnings. What the legacy builder is. And reclaim means taking back control, purpose, or financial independence. And then transform is another word, which means turning past setbacks into a new, improved venture. Now, Monica, it is so nice to have you here tonight. You can just unmute yourself. Where's Monica? Let me just stop sharing my screen over here. It looks like I have stopped sharing it. Hey, Leica. Does it look right? Hello, Monica. Are you here?
Hi, everybody. I'm so glad
Hello,
to be here.
Monica. Thank you so
Thank you
much
so
for
much.
joining us tonight. Monica, can you hear us?
Yes, I can. Can you
Thank
guys
you so much.
hear
Yeah.
me?
Yes, we can hear you. I'm going to mute myself and please share your story with us, Monica. It is so nice to have you here with us tonight.
Okay, so for everybody that doesn't know, I raised four boys all by myself. And I've gone through two broken marriages, and I had to do all this all by myself without having any help from my kids' dads. I was married twice, so three boys came from my first marriage, and the fourth one from my second marriage, and I just had to cope. I lost my dad at the age of 25, and from there on, it was just survival. Survival for me because I had nobody else that I can go to, or my mom helped with in she helped me looking after the kids because I always had to do two jobs, two or three jobs. I always worked full time, and then after being exhausted, coming home from work, working full time, I went and I worked as a waitress after hours. And even with the waitressing work, those years there wasn't any 10% like nowadays. You purely got paid if somebody gave you tips. But in any case, just to make a long story short, I always had to fight for survival. And I am so grateful, because I honestly, the other day I was thinking, how did I come here? How did I manage to do this? And I must honestly say, if it wasn't for God, I don't know what I would have done because I basically only had God on my side and my mom helping me, and I've got a sister-in-law also helping me with looking after the kids after hours. But needless to say, I've done everything from scrap metal, from collecting cans, and the worst thing for me was going to work colleagues with raffle lists asking for money for my kids to be able to go on a rugby tour or a cricket tour or whatever. But I must honestly say I'm so grateful because my kids never lack anything. They always had the opportunities to be able to go. But I was fed up. I was, you get to a point where you're hurtful. There's no other word to describe it because then you sit and you think, why am I doing all this? Why am I going through life struggles? Because it feels most of the times it doesn't even feel like you appreciate it. It doesn't feel like there's anybody that gets what you're going through. And last year I had a turning point. My eldest son, all four my boys, they out of the house, and my eldest son, um, he got kicked out of the house. Him and his wife had difficulty, and he phoned me and he said to me, Ma, so my son was in Uruguay, and it's not as if you can get in your car and you can drive to Uruguay and fetch your boy. But in any case, needless to say, I had to pay for his flight ticket, which was in September, $1,100. That was over 21,000 Rand. And I phoned Adinda Botha Roots. Adinda, I know for years. We used to work at the same law firm. And I've been watching Adinda for about 4 months doing the digital marketing. And I phoned and I said to her, please, Adinda, I've got moeilikheid now, because you can think for yourself, if you take your permanent salary and there's 21,000, just over 21,000 gone of that, what have you got left? I mean, you've obviously got to take your debt money. And what I did is I took my last money of my September paycheck after buying the flight ticket, and I got the $900 legacy builder. I could have gotten the $100, but I spoke to my kids and I said to them, listen, guys, I've been watching this. This has been working for so many people around the world. And if it's working for them, it must work for me. I must make this work. And I decided to invest in the $900 legacy builder. So I got the program, I got my domain paid, and I paid the $39 for the admin fees. My money was gone. I didn't even have money for the ASPAN. So I phoned my brother and I said to him, listen, broer, I need 200 Rand, please. I need to borrow 200 Rand because I really want to join the ASPAN and also learn further, because now I'm stepping into something that I don't know. I'm scared. Yes, I started scared, but I know, I had to make choices, and obviously I have to do something in order to get back the money that I had to spend. And yeah, I must honestly say, I wish I started when I saw Adinda for the first time, with the digital marketing. But ever since, I've been making money with the legacy builder. Since my second month, yeah, it took me 2 weeks to set up my domain, my website, because I've been doing that after hours. I've been working full time. But since I started, I must honestly say to you guys, I got, as I said to you, so much from Legacy Builder: restoration, transformation, freedom, purpose, growth, breakthrough, empowerment, possibility, hope. I've got, and for the first time in my life, I work on my dreams. For the first time, I can work on what I want in the life. It always, everything around me went solely towards my kids, and I always used to put myself at the back of the row. I think all our moms do that. But I've got a granddaughter in Uruguay. It's her birthday today, so she's 4 years old today, and I haven't. That's the only granddaughter that I've never had the opportunity of holding or changing nappies or anything. So my goal is to resign my permanent job at the end of 2026, because I want to work wherever. I want to be able to um, buy a flight ticket wherever I want to go. If I want to go and visit my third boy in New Zealand or my granddaughter in Uruguay, I want to be able to do that. If I decide now I want to fly, I want to do that. I want freedom in that sense.
You want your
And that's
freedom
what
back.
I'm
Yes.
working towards. Yes,
Yeah.
and at the moment, I must honestly say I'm paying my debt. I'm trying to offset all my debt so that I can be debt free, and that's
Mm.
going to happen within the next few months.
That's
So yes,
fantastic.
a bit of a slow starter. I'm a bit of a slow starter, but I'm still learning. And yeah, and I think everything that, if we can learn, the more you can learn, the more you can implement your whatever you've learned, and you can earn money and help other people, because you can't expect blessings if you don't wish blessings upon others.
Correct.
So the main purpose is to help others, and if you help others, you will be helped as well.
Yeah. Monica, I want to ask you a question. What is one thing that you would say has helped you from the what is one thing that the legacy builder has done for you that you can say that's really standing out? Is it the time that you got back from for yourself? Is it the mindset that you learned in this business? What is something that stood out for you?
Well, I must honestly say it's freedom, the time, because yes, I've got more time with my kids now.
Yeah,
Do you
yeah.
understand? And I get to spend more time with my kids. And even previously, if you had time to spend with your kids, you couldn't do anything. So now it makes it possible for me to actually, treat my kids and do fun things with my kids, build uh,
Quality time,
memories,
hey.
more memories.
Mm.
Yes, yes.
Yes, I agree with you. Yes, that's for me as well. That was one thing that's standing out, being able to tell my daughter, let's go to the shop and having fun with her, not having to worry about trying to make plans in my head the whole time. It was just constantly, my head was racing. Just what am I going to do? How am I going to sort this out? How am I going to do this? At last, you've got your freedom back and you've got your time back so that you can be a present parent as well. I think that was one thing for me as well. And Monica, and you said that you're going to resign one of these days. I'm so super, super excited to get that message in our community to hear when you've done that. And I want to thank you so much tonight for sharing your story with us. And you're really an inspiration. And thank you always for being so interactive in the communities. I always see you. You're an awesome person. And thank you for joining us, Monica.
Thank you.
Thank you, my
Thank you
love.
so much, guys.
Okay. All right. Let me share the screen quickly. And there you go. You can see it, right? Okay, perfect. Now let's go on. All right. So, why is this different? You might ask. Okay, because there's so many things out there. I mean, I've tried so many things, and I'm sure you might have tried a lot of things to make an extra income. The the different thing about the legacy builder is you keep 100% profit with master resale rights. Okay. You don't have to chase clients. You don't have to ask family and friends to buy from you. Because I tell you what, I blocked everybody when I started with this because I was so scared they were going to say, oh, here's Alana again with one of her schemes. Okay. No technical skills needed. So that means you do not have to you don't need any technical skills. If you can follow a step-by-step instructions, if you can follow visual videos, then this it can be for you, okay? Because that's one thing I thought. I thought, oh my goodness, I'm too old for this. I didn't even know what digital marketing is. I had to go and Google it. And when I saw the kind of money that people were made, I thought, no, I won't be able to do this. But it doesn't matter. If you are coachable, then this is for you, okay? And you will make between $100 and $1,400 in only one transaction in a day. Okay. You are going to follow a step-by-step blueprint that works. Over 57,000 people are doing it. That's going to help you start. It's going to help you grow. And you're going to learn how to automate and have a profitable online business in just 2 hours a day that you're going to work. Okay. Again, you break them up whenever you want to. All right. What are you going to get in this? You get your own done for you digital store, which is much better. You know, would you rather have a digital store where there's 5.6 billion people that can go into your digital store, or would you rather have your own little shop in a limited area with limited people? I definitely would rather have my digital store because the whole world has gone digital. Okay. So what are you going to do? You are going to connect your PayPal account or your bank account to your digital store. And when a customer pays you, 100% profit goes into your account. Yes, you make 100% profit. Okay. So a lot of people say to me, is this not a pyramid scheme, Alana? But I want you to see, I want to ask you, can you see that this is not a pyramid scheme? Okay. Because here you have your own business with master resale rights. You make 100% profit. Okay. So with the pyramid scheme, how does that work? The person at the top has to recruit people underneath them, and they've got to recruit people underneath them, and they only make a percentage. So they make between 10% and 30% commission. And who loses out at the end? The people at the bottom. Who makes the most money? The person at the top. So it's not like that at all with the Legacy Builder program. Okay. You have your products. There's 5 products that you can choose from. And the one that you choose from, everything below your level is free and it's included. So you don't have to pay for that. Okay. You sell the product of your choice in your digital shop over and over and over again. Now, again, people say, oh, Alana, buying a course to sell a course. No. Remember, if this is an Honor phone, right? I purchased this Honor phone. I think I purchased it from Mr. Price. Now, does Mr. Price make, oh, this is a Samsung, sorry. Where's my Honor? Anyway, I bought an Honor phone from Mr. Price. Do they make the phones? No, they don't. They buy it from Honor, or your Apple, or the iPhones get bought from Apple and they are sold to Vodacom or Telcom, right? They've got resale rights. And that's exactly what you're going to have with this program. You keep 100% profit and you get it for the price of one. Okay. We already have 28 millionaires from South Africa that does it. Okay. That has made R1 million with the Legacy Builder program. Okay. And so what we did is we bought the $900 program once and we sold it over 65 times, which gave us R1 million profit. Okay. And there's absolutely no monthly fees. And that's what I wanted. I didn't want any more surprises every month because I already got too many surprises. So what are you going to get? You are going to get an automated system, which means your business is going to work while you are sleeping. Now, what is an automated system? If you have ever bought from Shein or Temu or Takealot.com, what are you getting from them on a daily basis? Emails. And that's what your system is going to have, right? As soon as you're going to learn how to do email marketing, and you will learn, you don't need any experience, you will learn step by step how it works. And that's how you're going to have your own automated system. So it's going to work in the background for you. You're going to have your own online business with an automated system that works 24/7. You put your 2 hours in a day and you have it done for your business with no experience needed. Okay. So what kind of customers can you get? Okay. Your clients could be people that want to learn skills on how to do digital marketing, people who want to learn how to promote their existing business or service that they have or products. It's people that want to create a new business. That is what this e-learning course is going to teach them. And they get resale rights on it as well. If they want to resell it, that's what they can do. So wouldn't you rather trade your 8 to 10 hour workday for a 2 hour workday? Well, for me, that was a no-brainer because I thought about it and I thought, hold up. For over 20 years, I got up every morning religiously. I would travel sometimes 4 hours to work and back and lose out time with my kids. Now I work 2 hours a day whenever I want to. It was a no-brainer for me. Now, let me just show you. Would you rather have 15,500 Rand per month? Or would you have 4 sales of the $900 program which is going to give you 62,000 Rand per month. 4 customers is going to make you that kind of money. If you have the 1,400 program, right? That means you're going to get 23,000 Rand per person. So would you rather have it per month, work 8 to 9 hours or over 40 hours a week? Or how about having 4 customers in a month? That's going to give you a total of 95,000 Rand. Okay. And you don't just keep 100% profit. You also have an interactive training program that helps you develop the skills to build a successful business. Okay. Interactive training, Zoom trainings we get from multimillionaires so that you can build a legacy for your family. And all you have to do is you follow 5 steps every day. Okay. What you'll do is you will watch 10 minutes of training. We at the moment doing a 90 days, or we always are doing a 90 days. The founder of this program, every morning, there's no guesswork when you wake up. You go into the community and there are short videos that will tell you exactly what you need to do for the day. So there's really no guesswork there. Okay. What you're going to do is you're going to create marketing content. You're going to learn how to do this. You don't need to be an influencer. You don't need to have a following. Okay. What you're going to do, number 3, is you're going to reply to emails because your automated system is going to send that out to people that are interested in your business. Or you're going to answer your WhatsApps, okay? And you will post marketing ads and also reply to comments. Now, where's my 5? My 5 disappeared. Sorry about that. The other thing that you're going to do is you get already done for you advertisements that you will copy, paste, and post onto high traffic websites. So where you're also going to put your link in, and they get millions of visitors every day, right? And what is that? The online world is your window to unlimited customers because you are going to learn attraction marketing, where clients come to you. You do not need to go and ask people to be your clients. You do not need to hang out in people's DMs or send them messages every day to follow up. You are going to learn attraction marketing because there's 5.6 billion people out there that could be your customer. Okay. The clients come to you. You don't contact people. You don't bother family and friends, and you never have to reach out first, which is perfect for introverts, right? And all you do is you are going to use apps that is already on your phone or on your laptop. Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest. There's many, many more apps. You are going to learn how to use that to attract customers to you. And you can do faceless marketing. If you are shy or you're introvert, perfect. There is a module that's going to teach you how to do faceless marketing. So what do you get in your done for you business? Number 1, you get this e-learning program. It's a blueprint, which is a business plan. It works because there's 59,000 people that is already using it. Okay. You get your own website, which means you don't need to be tech savvy. It's 90% done for you, which I love because let me tell you, I have tried to do my own website and I failed completely. But here it's 90% done for you and it is so professional. You're going to get your own automated system, just like Shein, just like Temu. I just want to tell you quickly, do you know that Shein made $59 billion last year because of the automated system, because they're out there on the internet. That's what you're also going to get. And you have your products. You decide which products, whichever one you have, you will have those on your website. And you're going to get lifelong interactive training from millionaires. You belong to our community. Okay. Now you're going to then choose which program is going to suit you. And everything underneath that program is included for free. So you don't invest in all of them. You invest in only one and you get 100% profit. Now let's go into the programs. My first one is the Launchpad. With that one, you will get 1 income streams. Now, remember, these are e-learning programs, okay? You will get 72 e-learning lessons in the Launchpad, and you will learn how to launch an online business. Now, this is just an example of if you have $400 deals a month, that means you make $400 profit, which is 7,000 Rand. If you take the $300 program, it is called the Passive Daily Pay Blueprint. You get the $100 for free, okay? Because that one is under this one. So in other words, you have two income streams with 108 e-learning lessons and where you're going to learn how to do daily, you're going to get your daily pay blueprint plan, okay? If you have four $300 sales a month, that's $1,200, which is 20,000 Rand, okay? The next one up is the $600. With that one, you have three income streams because you get the 100 and the 300 for free. 129 e-learning lessons in that one, and you're going to get tools on how to build a successful online business. You're going to learn how to build your own digital products and learn how to build your own brand. Okay? Because that's what people are doing. If you go onto the internet today, everybody's busy building a brand. Okay? You will learn skills how to do that. And you can learn how to create an extra income streams for yourself. So the sky's the limit. If you have four $600 sales a month, that's $2,400 profit, which is 40,000 Rand per month. Now imagine how much you can pay off with that kind of money, right? Then my next one up is the Legacy Builder program. Before we launched the bundle pack, this was a very, very popular one. It still is. That one has got four income streams with 228 e-learning lessons. You get tools for online success. You build your own products and your brand, and you create an extra income stream. Okay, as many income streams as you want. With four $900 programs, that's $3,600 profit, which gives you an extra 60,000 Rand a month. And that is why the things looks too good to be true, but it's because we earn in dollars as South Africans as well. Now, my next one, we've just launched this one. I think it was launching last year in November. It was a Legacy Builder bundle pack. And with that one, you don't get five income streams. You get 10 income streams. Why? Because you get the 100, 300, 600, 900, and 1,400 lessons in English, and you also get them in Spanish. Now, that one has 323 e-learning lessons, tools for online success. You build your own products and brand, create your extra income streams, and you get AI for marketing material, AI for personal branding, AI to create faceless videos, and AI to create your own digital products. Plus, you can go and learn how to have your own AI twin as well. Now, AI is not taking over the world, but AI is there to help us to do things faster, okay? And that's great about this program. With four $1,400 programs a month, that's 5,600 profit, which will give you 95,200 Rand per month. Okay. Now, what's nice about this program, you can upgrade, right? You decide which one suits your budget and dreams, and you've got the opportunity to upgrade. So we all want to eventually work ourselves up to the 1,400, but you decide which one is going to suit you. And that's the great thing about this program. There are so many options for you to choose from. There's no monthly fees, which is great. I love that. And you're going to get between 1 and 10 income streams. And you use the program free on a monthly basis, right? You log in, you get your own dashboard, you get your own login details, and you join whenever you can. So you can have the freedom to do it when you want, okay? There's only a one-time setup fee. You buy your program, okay? You register with $39 once, $39 for the 100 to the $900 program. The $1,400 program, you will pay $69 once off, and you will now go and buy your own domain and professional email as well. Now, I haven't seen any professional email or domain for more than 500 Rand. It all depends on the name that you choose, but you can easily get one for under 500 Rand. So setup cost, registration, domain. Your first sale, you make 100% profit. So you've made your money back, okay? And to get to 1 million Rand, you only have to sell it 65 times. and you use the program for free. Okay. This is not a quick, not a quick rich money making scheme. Okay. You are you own the business and you build a legacy for your family. So if you think it's a quick rich make scheme, it definitely is not. Okay. This is something that you're going to build your legacy with for your family. I just want to show you this one as well. Christina in our community, she says she made $10,900 in 3 weeks as a stay-at-home mother. How is this even real? She says, I never ever thought income like this was even possible for a hot mess mama that knew nothing about making money online. We are snowed in with an ice storm in Tennessee, no school, no work, but my online business is always working. She says, we've been plugging in a little over a year and it still doesn't feel real. I want to shout out to Daryl for being the best personal coach. It was you I heard on that webinar that made me believe in myself that I was coachable and consistent. I would be successful. Thank you for showing up. And Michelle O'Neill is the founder of this program. She has just been nominated as the 10 best women through MSM. Am I right? Did I say that right, Laken? Yes? Okay. So what does that mean for you to start with this business? It means less debt. Like it means more time with your family. And I think that is the most important things that families are lacking these days, okay? Spending good time with your families. You can go on those holidays that you so well deserve. There's more peace and harmony in your house instead of the stress that people are going through, okay? So what do I need to build a legacy for me and my family? You need a business without expenses and something that is risk-free. And that is exactly what the Legacy Builder is going to give you. There's no monthly expenses and it's completely risk-free. Once you make your first sale, you have got your money back. All right. So you decide to start which one of the 5 programs you want to start. And like I said, you know what? I can't believe it's already April. In 2 months' time, it's the middle of the year. So now really is the time to make sure that 2026 is your best year. So, guys, thank you so much for joining us tonight. If you have any questions, we're going to go now. If you have any questions, you are more than welcome to unmute yourself and ask. Okay. If um if you don't want to ask questions now, please go back to the person that has invited you to tonight. Okay. If you have any questions from them so that they can help you and answer all of your questions. Okay. Let's quickly look in the chat, see if there's anything there. Can I please ask a
Auntie
question?
Alana, we
Yes,
do have a
Tato.
question.
Yes,
Tato,
Tato.
you can unmute Tato.
You are welcome to unmute yourself, my friend.
Hello.
Hello, Tato. How are you this evening?
I'm fine, and you?
Good, thank you, my friend.
Yes. Yes, I have a question here.
Sure.
My question is that is there any possibility for me to maybe lose my money, or there is no possibility for me to lose something?
Tato, there's no way that you can lose your money, okay? You're going to invest once in one of these programs. Now, you just have to follow the program. The most important thing about this program, Tato, is to stay consistent, okay? Because that is what marketing is about. Now, once you make your money, once you have a sale, let's say you're on the $300, right? If you have a
Yes.
$300 sale, you make your $300 back. So you've made 100% back. Okay. And then
Yeah,
after
okay.
that, any other sales that you make goes straight into your bank account. The money goes straight into your account. Yes,
Yeah,
100%.
because I searched about digital marketing. They said it's real. That's why I've joined this thing. I
No,
want to start.
wonderful. Wonderful. It's so nice. Yes, it's real, Tato. And I think, South Africa is also waking up now to see that the possibilities out there are so huge because everybody's on their phones. Why not use your phone
Mm.
instead of scrolling every day?
Yeah,
Why not use your phone and start making an income, right?
yeah, instead of coming to work late night like
Correct.
this.
Yes. Absolutely. So you can get your time back and spend your time with your family, right?
Thank you very much.
It's a pleasure, Tato. We look forward to seeing you in the community. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Okay, Tato. Thank you. Okay. Any other questions? Let's see. You need to join the club. This is how we have South African. That's it, I think, guys. All right. No other questions. Please go back to the person that invited you. And it was lovely to have you here tonight. I really hope that we could give you some hope today, tonight, and because I promise you there is. Okay. Most of us that started with this business, we are just normal people like you that needed a way out. And this is a life-changing opportunity. Guys, have a wonderful evening. And I must I keep you and shine his face upon you. Bye, guys.